What's up guys, this video is to tell you how to make proper OBS setting and audio setting. Open the OBS and click Add a capture device. Normally it will show your video source directly. But what if it doesn't? Let me tell you how to make the proper settings. First, select 4K USB capture. And the resolution choose custom. Enter 1080. The video format choose NVI2. The color space choose 709. Click OK, that's it. You might thought that it was the end of the settings, but don't forget to make the audio settings. The desktop audio choose speakers. And the mic audio choose HDMI. Last step is to make desk audio setting. Click the speaker and choose sound. Record and click HDMI. Listen to this device and choose the speaker. This is all about the OBS setting and audio setting. Let's check it out.
飞机很快就要起飞了，各位特种兵请准备。